this thing?
Give it to Georgia.
It was where they were
talking
to each
There's one more. Yeah.
this one.
It's something useful. It's for the car.
Be
careful. One of them is breakable. Car will.
Read it.
All right.
So you know which Witcher gave it to you?
Is that my teeth brush?
Oh.
You can use that toothbrush.
Oh, I thought that was a hairbrush.
It's not. It's for the car.
Oh, that's so nice, Winter. It's very nice. It's beautiful.
I also made it your favorite color, green.
Did you make that?
Yes.
Wow.
Like
Beautiful.
6 and 1.
Now I can fix
Very
the board.
nice.
Like 6 and 1.
Yep. Screwdriver.
It's
It
6 and
took
1.
2 weeks to make it.
You can there's
I can
multiple
fix
presents.
everything.
Yeah.
Let me see, sure. I didn't see it.
What is it? Who's it from?
Okay, we can get it.
Oh, okay.
Wait, are we opening our first?
Okay.
You.
Sit down.
I'm kidding.
I'm fighting. That's why I'm over here. Skylar, this is
They wrap it pretty good. Oh, little like clip set. Yeah.
That's nice.
That's the only
I can use that.
Yeah, manicure. Fast. Yeah. Fast.
Well, good. I wasn't sure
Give me
what
my
to get you, but
Thank you, girl.
I thought it smells good.
Wait.
I appreciate it.
Hey, I ain't opening it yet.
It's fuzzy.
This is a present?
Oh my.
Sorts of mom all out. Okay, sorry. Yep.
Nice. Very nice.
Oh, candle. Yeah.
Hey, Joey, and then
You're welcome.
okay.
This is my second.
Joey,
Grandma.
oh, thanks. Thanks,
Thanks,
Ginger.
You're welcome.
It's my money.
You probably needed it. I figured y'all needed it.
This is from Grandma.
Just Randy. Mom, thank you.
You're welcome.
Randy.
Yeah.
Alicia.
I like.
What is this? Grandma?
Put it on your head.
Thank you, Cheryl.
Me.
You're welcome.
Thank you, Ginger.
You're welcome.
And your cousin to me.
Cody. This one's Cody's.
Oh,
Cody's not here right now.
that looks good.
Hey, this is Alicia.
Mom, put this on my list. Put it right there behind.
Oh, here we go. I'm getting it to people.
Open now.
Cheryl.
I know. Winter. Here you go. Thanks, Grandma. Wait, where's Grandma? Thank you. This one's Grandma. Thank you.
You're
Thank
welcome.
you, Ginger.
You're welcome.
Ginger got this. Ginger got me makeup. Cheryl got me this. And, Ramon got me this.
Grandma, this is for you.
This one's Shree's.
Yes.
Shree's, put that back for later, honey.
I'm getting none of mine yet.
Very nice.
Joel.
Thank you,
I gotta wait.
What did you get?
Grandma Shree's.
Skylar was asking for that.
Said thank you.
Thank you, Grandma Shree's. I got a
Cheryl
kinetic
Mark, that's
system.
what she was saying about.
Oh, this is.
I love kinetic.
Oh, yeah, be careful with that one, I think. I think it's that one.
Yeah.
I always wanted kinetic.
Here, this is from Christina.
Winter accidentally stepped on it one day.
I will put it right here.
Yeah, just put it right there. Get it.
I'm sure it's okay.
Whose are these for?
This is it.
Oh.
Forget away. That's Cheryl.
Oh, sorry.
I'm waiting till I get my presents. But none of my presents
Merry
yet.
Christmas. You know what you
Oh,
wanted, so you can go get
Get it.
what you want
Yeah, okay.
at Walmart.
How much is on it?
20.
20. Thank you.
Grandma.
Trees.
Can you hand that to me, Josh?
What you want? I didn't know what to get you.
Oh, Mom.
Jelly.
Well, she can't spell my name, but at least I got some.
Jelly. Oh, thank you.
I got earbuds. I got JESS.
Oh, I see.
I got chocolate.
Yes, they're from me. Yeah.
You're welcome. Alicia, this is for me.
Ginger.
I think for me.
This is from
Christina.
Lucky I caught that. Y'all didn't see that, but I caught that.
You and Cody, they have the same those just to tell you.
Does anyone
I
play
know what to
with?
get you guys, so.
Mom.
I got nothing yet. I don't know. Did you open it?
Skyla.
Oh, Josh.
Thank you.
Cerise. Oh, there's one. Okay.
Jade.
Yeah, it's from Ramona.
Sorry. Thank you. Thank you. Grandma. From Glenda. Not that pink one.
Did you give her the bags yet? Did you give her the bags? From y'all? From y'all?
Ginger.
I can't find those, Mom.
Here, this is from Shrews.
Thank you, thank you, thank you.
Mom, I can't find those.
The one you got her.
I need to find them.
Oh.
In a minute.
Where they at?
I don't know. I can't find them for some reason.
Thank you.
Oh, thank you,
Thank you,
Shrews.
Taylor. I
Thank
need
you.
to get my sticks from my sister.
I figured you did.
Magnets. And they make a heart.
I know there's stuff missing. I can't get.
There's some behind it. I got some missing too.
Hey, guys.
Josh.
Oh, that's
This
sweet.
one
Is that chocolate? Yeah.
Yeah.
Joey.
Okay, I'll put it. It is.
College, you back over here.
I got
Oh,
the
okay.
present.
Oh,
Jesse.
Hey, yeah.
I think I just figured out. This is for your dad.
okay, Mom, I got this from Ramona. Mom, I got this from Ramona.
Oh, chocolates.
Right here. Thanks.
Yeah, this is
Dad. Wait.
Joey.
Dad, I got this from Ramona.
Look what I got.
Grandma, these are for you. Look what I got.
Cool.
Yeah.
Grandma, what's this one?
Let's go run five blocks.
Oh,
What else is there?
There's a lot. I still need.
What else you get, Jade?
Thank you.
Jade, what else you get?
That day you were with us.
Oh, shirt.
I don't remember this.
no.
Jade.
Thank you, Christina. From Grandma to Josh.
I got pants.
Hey, look what
I got Alicia. Then I got a coloring book and socks.
Yeah, okay.
Well, that was nice.
Jacob.
I'll put mine in a minute, but
And his winter.
Joshua.
Josh. Here from Grandma.
I got another box for Thai movie.
Thanks, Grandma.
We have 3 wishes now.
What'd you get?
We almost have every Monster High movie.
Oh.
Half of our movie boxes is
Skyla. It's in the Gomez.
I got some Bakugan. Oh, it's not. Just I got Legos.
and she's got that. Oh. The dog for the dog.
Jesse.
I got Legos.
Do we have more of this?
what is some stuff you got?
I'm going to show you in a minute. I'm opening all of them.
All right.
Josh?
This from Grandma.
Better go tell Grandma thank you.
Another food.
If I can get through this.
Open up the box.
I figured you'd like that.
Oh, it's in the bowl.
I'm gonna hide this.
Grandma,
I was like, what food?
I don't know.
Ooh. I'm going to say something. Sorry.
Oh, sorry.
Okay, we can pressure.
Joy, there's more present underneath the Christmas tree. I don't know. Wait, someone need to.
Look, you got an undershirt to wear under it.
Oh, socks, yeah.
I'm opening my present. I didn't get to open mine yet.
Someone got Santa.
It says to Josh. It's nothing.
Joey,
It's in,
I'll come over
There's
there.
nothing left.
who's that present for?
Leave it there.
I need 6 presents.
Alright, let me get a trash bag. I have one.
Oh, another RC car.
Mama!
Where'd the other thing go? Oh, you're right there. Yeah.
Captain America. Oh, I'm getting that one for Christmas wrecking ball.
Nobody won too. He's got a sweater.
Jesse.
Probably not. I wanted one that was bigger
Yeah, I
that I
got
could
one
put
too.
over and wear it home.
I gotta take a picture of you with your stuff in a
The
minute.
other one I got, it's good, but it's old now.
These were from me. Thank you.
Mama!
Did I give you?
Sorry.
It's all fine.
Trying to get by. Jake, come here.
I'm trying to collect.
Sorry I'm walking around so much.
Mama, this is what I got.
Alright, hold on a minute.
Sorry that comfort it looks like a wrap. I wrapped it after
Sorry for the mess in here, but alright. Sorry I didn't talk to y'all yet. It just happened so quickly. But I hope y'all are doing good. She got pants.
Come on, Mona.
I showed a little bit this earlier, but I'm gonna show you again.
I'm Christina.
She got more pants.
I'm Christina.
She got a shirt.
She knows I love coffee with this coffee, right? What's her name?
Grandma. Trace.
Trace, yeah. From Mona.
Alright.
And
Coloring book.
your sister.
Cheryl.
Yeah. I'm gonna put my.
There's the cat. That's Flash.
Yes.
And Midnight's over there.
Mom.
Mom, I need a,
Now show me what you got.
okay.
Sorry it's kind of messy in here.
I got socks. More socks. A camera.
Yeah.
Something. It ain't a camera. It's actually.
It's a headlight, I think.
Headlight.
Can I go in the car and get the USB thing?
Yeah.
I got a
Where's the keys at?
book with.
In my pocket, in my
I got a
coat.
book with 36 color pencils,
You okay?
and I got an outfit. And I have to try them on.
We're gonna have a lot.
Stay right there. I'm gonna get a picture. Stand still for a minute. All right. I didn't. I took a picture of Joey earlier, but I don't know if it like took right or not.
I have less stuff.
You're getting a lot more tomorrow, so don't worry about it.
Guess what? Grandma didn't. I didn't get nothing from Grandma. Me either. Sorry. But yeah.
She. I think she's got some more stuff in the room. Yeah.
She didn't want it.
She may give it today or tomorrow. I'm glad she don't watch these videos because we're talking. All right. Let's see. Let me see what they're doing in there. I don't know how much longer I'm gonna do the video,
Yeah,
but
I'm gonna try on this outfit now, and you'll see me in it. Okay?
yeah, okay.
This is just the toys.
Here's your box.
And then it's I have a red
You
one.
have a box.
Yeah, that's my stuff over there.
Your street got you see that? That's what this is a wafer.
Thank you, Joey. Thank you for giving me this.
And a straightener.
Joey, thank you. Thank you for these.
Okay, now I gotta open up these. A wallet. That's nice. Thank you, Trace. Thank you. I like it. Let's see what else I got. Sorry, this is hard when I'm recording at the same time. Trying not to make a big mess too. Ooh, makeup.
Stop, I can touch something. What did you got this one?
I'm looking in a minute. Makeup and a wallet.
That's good, Mom.
Yeah. That's what this big one is. I was feeling it's a purse, but
Holding, so I have to help you. Okay, Mom? Probably got you in that other song.
yep, it's a purse. Oh, cool. It's big too. It's like huge.
Mom, we can
Here, lay down the
keep
box.
this
I'll take a picture of it. I mean, video camera. That's a big purse.
Yeah, but it's still good.
And it matches the wallet.
Mom can like hold the ball and like, hello, fancy. Yeah. And you can use the box.
Alright. We'll keep the box for my clothes.
Yeah. More better.
Yeah.
You have to use a small box.
Alright, move this out of the way. I gotta open up the
You got this too, Mom?
no, this is Cheryl's.
Oh, Cheryl's. You're opening these?
Alright, now this is from Jewel.
Yeah, multiple
The
stuff.
purse was from my mom, and the wallet was from Sharif, and the makeup was from Christina, my niece. Alright, she gave me a card. Merry Christmas, Mom, from Jewel.
That's what I said. I messed
You are
up.
sweet, and you are a mom and daughter, and you have a family. We love you. Thank you. That's nice.
I tried to copy some of the other cards, what they say,
Yeah.
and I did that.
Alright. A nice sign. How precious are our thoughts, God. How vast is their sum. I would count them. They are more in number than the sand. When I wake up, I am still with you. Psalms 139, 17, 18.
There's two more in here.
And let's see.
We got this. I don't know what it is, so I just got it anyway.
Okay, it says faith, hope, and love. I think it's a
Journal something.
journal or a calendar.
Yeah. Which is, you need another calendar, right?
Yeah.
This is the one I was talking about, Mom. This one.
But I do need it.
Yeah. See? I told you, you already had it before, and I got it for you. Because the other one broke, so here you go, Mom. This one's from Joey.
Those earbuds, if y'all didn't know what that was. Alright, I'm going to lay this back in here because I don't want to lose it all.
Yeah. I got you 3 things in there. So you know I love you, and so I got you 3 things.
Alright, I'm going to sell my stuff in the box right now.
Okay, this one's from Joey.
Alright, let's see. This is from Joey.
Why did she give you that? Why did he give you
A
that?
screwdriver. Did he give me the right one?
I don't know. Yes.
Ask
he says
Joey.
to Mom. It says to Mom.
Alright. I might need a screwdriver though. I do, stuff.
Yeah. Earbuds.
Earbuds, which I need a lot of those anyway.
Yeah. They're black ones. Here. And there, I think, another earbuds. The same ones I got you, but different color.
That's cool.
Jacob, it's so good.
All right, put Joel. You covered up the present.
Oh, sorry, Mom. There you go. Got you 3 presents. Okay, this one's from Jade. There's a card that's already wet. It got wet from the rain.
From Jade to Mom. Says I love you. There's a Christmas tree on it. Oops, I didn't show you that.
Yeah, there's 2 Christmas trees on them. But I don't think the other one, they got wet, so.
Alright, let's see.
This was the ornament she gave you, but it got wet.
Okay. And she got me a hairbrush. What I want you to do is throw away all this tissue that's got wet. And I have plenty of tissue right there I can use. And some cream. Or lotion, I meant.
I don't think this one got wet.
Okay.
But I'm just gonna.
I'm gonna switch back.
He's gonna say we have too much. There's not enough room to take it back.
She's got dedicated.
How is it gonna snap? You never see it.
Winner is Skylar. You want to take from me? This is from Grandma. Come here. I'll find the other kids in a minute.
I'm trying to pick this up. I'm trying to pick this up.
Of all things that she could have pulled this out.
Okay.
You can't run with this in your hand. You gotta take care of it. I will run in my room and then see if I can come across that. If I don't come across it, it's not worried it's in there somewhere. Georgia, don't leave yet. You gotta open it. Open the box.
Wait, let's see how it works.
Be careful with it.
We'll be out there with our head.
It's a breakable.
Yes, it's breakable.
Yay!
What?
Thank you, Grandma.
Is it what you wanted?
Yay!
What? Where is it? You got her this?
Thank you, Grandma.
It's an LG watch.
Stop that, yeah.
It's an LG. Is that the one you wanted?
Yay!
It's the one that you. That one? I'll have to help you with it.
You don't run with that.
I'll have to open it, okay? She gets to like take pictures and stuff with it.
Alicia, I got you something else. Hang on.
Okay. She gets to take pictures and
I want to see
stuff.
what we're
I don't know.
Where is it? Did they give me the wrong thing?
Hold on.
It's a camera! What you wanted.
Oh!
What?
Woo!
Good camera?
Yeah, she did.
Let your mom help you with it.
I'm gonna have to
Let me go look for something. Hang on.
Wow, so you both thought you wanted I'm actually excited. They got what they wanted. Look. Electronics.
And right here says 6 months unlimited. I got camera.
Like you wanted Skylar, you can take Skylar, you can take pictures on it, message.
Who has scissors?
It's Skylar. Skylar. You can even like
It said it's 6 unlimited flashlights and
message your mom on it. Yeah. Too.
Oh, cute.
That's the diary that I got. Sometimes we put stuff in other boxes so it's easier.
Well, Joel opened up one that had what cupcake box, and the other one was stovetop.
Yeah, and I was like, what?
Who has the scissors?
They had oatmeal.
I was like, what? And I'm like, oh, canned food. I'm like, oh, food. And I got a rice chicken box. I'm like, okay. And then I opened it. I'm like,
They had oatmeal box.
Oh,
I'm sorry.
that's all right.
I'm actually excited to open what I got for Grandma. Because I'm thinking she got me a camera. Because I asked for a camera.
Well, I don't remember what. I mean, there's certain stuff that she's gonna give you now and stuff for tomorrow.
Okay.
I think she's saving one of them for your birthday.
For my birthday, she said that you're going to get something like plastic doll for your birthday. That's what she told me. I'm like, okay. She's like, that's what you're getting, a big lie. And I'm like, okay.
No, I'm not.
What's this?
This is one of
Oh, scrapbook.
like you can like make
I thought it was a scrapbook, but I wasn't for sure.
No, it's a scrapbook.
Oh,
Oh, that is cool.
And she can play games on it too.
yeah, she can take pictures, message her mom on it.
No, you can't message.
Well, when it says it,
I
message.
don't know if you can or not.
No, you can't message.
You don't connect it to a phone. I think you can download it
Because
for
other
pictures
people-
to the computer and stuff.
See
though.
purple glitter tape?
Yeah. Oh, sorry, Mom.
Get your stuff on the phone.
Oh, you got this movie stuff?
Joel,
And I got this.
help me pick this up, cause I don't need to be.
And this one I was talking about.
Put it in the trash can.
Help me,
Here you go, Mom.
Did you look at my cousin?
Joel. You dropped one.
What? Joel, did you look at mine? No. I did. Thank you, Jay. That's very nice.
I can sew.
Camera, tornado, games, calculator, a voice recorder, clock, alarm, settings, pedometer, and album viewer.
Okay, now let's try running
Round half
She can
watch
keep the
that.
cases.
Yeah, that's the exact thing
Yeah, that's true. Does everyone just try
I'm trying to see if if she's gonna bring anything more out, cause I'm fixing to close the video down. But here I am. I'm sorry I didn't show you at the beginning, and sorry I didn't talk much at the beginning. But it just happened so quickly. They just started opening up gifts and everything. I hope you were able to see me, cause this phone's different than my other phone. So there's Flash. That's my bed, Jade's, Jules. Joey's bed's a mess. Okay, so let's see. I think she brought something. Let's see what she brought. I think so.
If you cannot find out, I'll probably have it tomorrow.
for a while trying to get these out.
I'm not sure how to set it on. I don't know if I need to charge it first or what. At least I got
Not yet. Okay.
I'll talk to her in a minute.
Take care, okay?
Can't get to her.
Love you guys. Thank you so much for the candle. Not yet,
Enjoy.
but my favorite scent is vanilla.
Oh, okay.
You got that one for
Yeah.
That's good.
We already get them out?
What are you guys doing for now? You're supposed to get today.
Bye, Cherie.
Bye, George. I love you. You too. Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Yeah.
Love you.
Love you.
Talk later.
Okay, Jake upstairs.
Alright, I guess she can't find the other gifts, but she may give it to them later or tonight. But I just want to say thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed it. I know it's harder to see everything on this video because I'm using a different phone. Well, it's more like a tablet, so it's gonna look different. But thank you for watching. Please click like and subscribe, and I might do another video tomorrow. Thank you.